Hi, first graders, and welcome to April Number Corner. Let's jump right into our calendar. And today is a special day because it is the last day of April. Today is April 30th, 2020. Let's turn over today's marker, and I see the letter L. Right now, we're going to take a closer look at that letter and decide, is this shape symmetrical? Is the letter L symmetrical? Do you think it's going to be? Let's check. I'm going to start by dividing that shape vertically. Are those pieces lining up? No, they definitely are not. I see a taller rectangle on one side and a shorter rectangle on the other. Do you think it will make a difference if we try horizontally? Right, it doesn't. This shape or this letter does not have symmetry. The shape of it is too drastically different. They're not going to line up no matter which way I try to fold them, especially since we have one side that is so long and another side that is so short. It's not going to have symmetry. Let's go mark down those observations. So this shape, like we said, could not be split up into equal parts. So no, it does not have symmetry there. Now, first graders, over this past month, we have collected so many different shapes, but we also have seen a lot of these letters coming in throughout the month. And today we're going to do something with those letters. We have a puzzle to solve. Now, we have a clue given to us. It says 4 halves equal 2 what? I'm going to start out by thinking about 4 halves. Well, I know a half is when I divide something into 2 equal pieces. So for ease, I'm going to draw a circle. And I know it's getting split in half. So how many halves do we have so far, first graders? We have 2 halves. 1 half, 2 halves. But our riddle tells us that we need 4 halves altogether. So we need to keep drawing. I'm going to draw another circle, and I'm going to divide it in half again. Now we have 3 halves and 4 halves. Altogether, we have 4 halves so far, friends. What is it the same as? We also see 2 what? And some of you are saying circles. And you're right, I drew a circle. But how much of those circles are colored in? The whole thing, you're right. So when I talk about having 4 halves, it's the same as having 2 It's the same as having 2 holes. I have 2 whole shapes colored in right there. No matter what shape it is, if I am dividing them into 4 halves, I'm going to have 2 whole shapes completed. Awesome, first graders. Let's take a look at days of school then. Today it is the 141st day of school. Can you count it up with me? 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141. You got it, friends. Let's take a look at what happens when I change 140 into 141. Did anything change with my hundreds place? No, I still have that group of 100. Did anything change with my tens? No, I still have 4 tens or 40. What's changed is I have a 1 now. I have one single x, or one single extra piece being added. Say the equation with me. We have 100 plus 40 plus 1. Very nice work. First graders, this is all we need to do today. Great work. Tomorrow, technically it is a new month, but we are going to do one last job with all those different shapes we've collected over this past month. And we're going to do some sorting of those shapes. So even though tomorrow is May 1st, we are going to do that one last job with our number corner shapes. Today, though, your job is to go onto Dreambox and complete an activity. Have a great rest of your day, first graders.